Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will learn about drawing the polylines. A polyline is a single object that consists of line segments and arcs. It is most versatile than a line as you can assign a width to it as well. Let's start by creating a small example. Here is the polyline. And from here we can activate this specific command. We started from origin by giving a value of 0, 0. Then we moved vertically, horizontally, again vertically, horizontally, just like creating something like stairs with steps. One thing very unique that is different from line and polyline is that in polyline you can see if I select any specific line, the whole geometry is selected. In this way, if we grip one point, the entire geometry is now changed. If I want to select a simple part, I will have to explode this polyline first. We will learn about explode option in upcoming lectures. So this was all about the polyline. Let's not make it very complex at this stage as we will be learning a lot about it in the next lectures. See you then. Till then, take care.